Since the inception and start of operation of the SGR here in Kenya, the SGR facility has helped move cargo from the seaport of Mombasa to the inland port of Nairobi and Naivasha. The SGR has enabled the establishment of freight terminals like this one in Nairobi and Naivasha to help move cargo from Mombasa to the other countries in the East Africa.
The 480-kilometer Mombasa-Nairobi Standard Gauge Railway, a mega project under the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative, linking the largest port in East Africa to Kenya's capital, was built by China Road and Bridge Corporation and officially opened to traffic in 2017. There are 17 freight trains transporting bulk cargo in a seamless and safe manner on a daily basis. Terminal handlers say that the standard gauge railway has become the main player in the movement of goods from Kenya's port of Mombasa to the hinterland, as it provides logisticians the most practical way of moving goods in large volumes.
It has built what we call the benefits of economies of scale. It can move so many huge volumes in one haul. This facility has become a hub for physical distribution of cargo that moves from the port of Mombasa, and it's distributed, it's consolidated here because we also do warehousing, and it's moved and distributed to all the other destinations within locally and also across the borders for transit destinations. All businesses that are located next to the railway facility get the best advantage in the growth of business.
Official data show that over the past 5 years, the freight trains have moved an estimated 20 million tons of bulk cargo. According to Appeal, the standard gauge railway has helped the port of Mombasa to become a regional shipping hub because the movement of cargo by rail is much cheaper as compared to other ways of transportation.
Cargo moving from the inland destination to the port of Mombasa in a cheaper way through SGR makes the shipment through the port of Mombasa much less cheaper. So by an efficient corridor, which is facilitated by the SGR, makes the port of Mombasa get the best advantage in competing with other ports of the region.